Welcome to SQL06. In our IICS tutorial series, today we are going to see on transformations. Transformation, it is the main purpose of the transformation. It is modify the source data. That is modify the source data based on the requirement of the target systems. In our target, it may be table or files. Okay, and these transformations it connected and unconnected transformations are, and also it is defined with that active and passive transformations are. First we'll see that active transformations are. When we see these active transformations, it can change the number of the rows passing through it. Okay, that is any of the transfer we are applying from our source to target. Okay, between that it can be split or combine the datas or reduce or expand the datas. So the result it may be that the change the number of the rows to our target. That is called as active transformations. Okay, when we see that passive transformations, it does not change the number of the rows passing through it. That is passing through our target. Okay, it just maintain that the position of the rows. Okay, that is called as passive transformations. Here have defined with some set of that connected and unconnected transformations in this page. We will see that in upcoming videos each of the transformations with practical sessions. Okay, please do subscribe. We'll see that each of the transformations practically. Thank you.